My name is Guy.
Sunday should be warm and sunny, just a scattering of drive-bys.
And I live in paradise. I've got a best friend.
This is the greatest cup of coffee of all time.
Oh!
Mondays, am I right, Joe?
You said it, Guy.
And I work at the bank.
Everybody down on the ground!
I thought I had everything I needed. But then I met her.
Everybody down on the ground. Everybody except you.
Me?
It's just so
Oh, please, I have a goldfish.
There is something inside you, Guy.
I don't want something inside me.
I expected you to just follow the rules, but you are so much more than that. Put these on.
Okay, fine. Oh my God! What are these, trick glasses or something?
Guy, there is no easy way to say this. This world, it's a video game. You're not real.
Please stop my...
And the guy responsible for this world was going to destroy it.
You've met God?
Yes, he's an absolute troll.
Trolls exist.
Buddy, if we're not real, doesn't that mean that nothing you do matters?
I am sitting here with my best friend trying to help him get through a tough time. Now, if that's not real, I don't know what is.
I know this world is just a game, but this place, these people, that's all I have. So I'm not gonna be the good guy.
Thanks, Guy.
I'm gonna be the great guy.
Well, enjoy your lifetime supply of virginity.
Off you go.
This whole good guy routine is ruining the game.
Terminator.
It's the first time I've ever driven a car before.
I really wish you'd mention that.
Yeah.
Yeah!
That actually hurt my hand. We can save our world, but we have to fight together.
I don't know what's happening right now, but I love it!
Time's up, bank teller!
Nope.